The largest paramilitary operations ever conducted by the CIA took place in the small, remote Southeast Asian country of Laos. In 1962, as part of the fight against communism, President Kennedy authorized the use of covert actions in Laos, beginning a secret war that would rage for 13 years. Vang Pao, a talented and ambitious officer in the Hmong military, caught the attention of the CIA. When approached for recruitment in their clandestine war, Vang Pao told the Americans he had to fight the communists or leave the country. If they supplied the weapons, he would raise an army and fight.
Một bé lúc họ pa cứ America là do CIA một chỗ bé uổng, giờ bé trả chú kế Hồ Chí Minh theo cứตัวnhà lang có tê làm tê chậm rọตัวnhà lang có tê, của bé bang cho pilot cứตัวmộtตัวHà Nội ở trâu nhung trâuตัวyang trâu cang luôn trâu tê chậm rọ ấy có bút thà có tạo giờ bé bang bé giờ có bé bang hát xả lô radar của America cho một tên trâu sáu lô phụ phạt thì nhớ họ tê chậm rọ.
แล้วป้าเลยซาเทพอมันซื้อตัวเป้ตีไทยไปถึงยังยัวจะซาโรสามอตัวเป้จะไปสังนอเตเชิญบลอเป้จะถ้ามาอีกงตือมามุ่งตัวเมกาโอเอาไว้เจอเนี่ยตัวหูตัวใช้เป้หาปังเป้สมัครเป้เนี่ยต่อให้ลงเป้นองอเมริกาลุโซหาตาโยก่อเป้หมดตัวทางเชิญตือใจเป้มองซื้อ tôi chỉ hạ bề cái hắn cho sự hủ long trên cái mình cái tôi chọn bông cho hủ bê lú cái sủng càng bê lú khó chơi cái nhau hủ long trên là ha giờ là mà bê cu chỉ bảo hà lê chàng ta chỉ bê thì nhớ là tôi số lại tôi tăng lại nó ta chỉ mà in tăng giờ cái mình cái sủng bông lú chơi bông chỉ xài lên thuyền chơi mua giờ mình cái chỉ lên băng tự tích chơi lại trở lên đến nơi biểu lên cho số trên này mà biểu lệ tôi chào lô để giờ lúc tây chớm lo ya bé nấu dân thì để ba bé khó rồi cũng chúng tôi nằm ở hồng gì ya để bé suy chỉ cho bé kia nó bé bông bé lúc tây chở bé chở nụ chữ bé chở hoa tài rồi có mộtตัวtăng sáu bé suy bé bông tây chở bé tu sa hay
là đây chị là ơn địa là chị là cho tuần trời là lúc cá lờ nữa chị thập lâu một sân đó chị là cho bé mùa tối nhọc họ kẹt đi thì nó chị thập bé ngày cho họ tụi đây nó khổ mà nó sinh xa rồi họ bé ngày họ chị thằng đó đi làm nhọc họ mua chiếc lì thế này nó cố á chị bé tao nó bò hẳn đâu cho bà tiệt thầu mua mà lấy chị tí trả lông gò đóแล้วมาเราเจอปุ๊บตอบแล้วได้มาแล้วมาตีจ่ายลงก็ไอ้เราเขาจะจำเราเล่มาแล้วรถตรงนี้ได้น้ำของนะคือเราได้เจอเลยเพราะจะเคี้ยวเราจะได้ตัวเคี้ยวเลยnhớ tới sò nhẹ hắn mà sò nhẹ hắn liao nhớ tới gì thì sao đâu có tiền mà tôi mình cà tê thế chỉ mà tao nói mình cà chỉ cà tài cho nên chỉ bớt luôn nè tôi thì nhớ tới chờ hết kỳ ní rong thế thế chỉ mà nhớ chỉ tới chờ mê nè cái mê lì xưa nào chị chỉ mua hồ lửa ô thế nè chị xã chị cho mèo lo là chị lại lên thiệt tao hồ lửa ô nè chị nhớ mình cà tê nó mà hồ lửa tao chị chơi hơi yêu tung căng thứ yêu mua chị như yêu gì
House Resolution 418, better known as the Real ID Act, was authored by Republican Representative James Sensenbrenner of Wisconsin. The broad provisions of this act establish that groups of 2 or more individuals who have taken up arms against the government will be deemed a terrorist organization and prevented from gaining full citizenship or refugee status. According to these provisions, some Hmong are considered terrorists for what they did in Laos during the secret war.
si trong đặc ca nó cũng là đi nó tao nghe tao chỉ đặc ca thì cũng một sinh gì thì cũng một sinh tao thì là tao nó là tao mua được bự thì mà cái tao chơi nó thầu lô lì đấy mà tao là tao mua được tao cũng bao giờ mua nó được chứa ai nổ phú thì mua có rồi gì nhá vài ngàn thì chỉ chơi cho nó tuột xe nhá thay tê tuột trên nó chỉ tao kìa bao giờ trong là cái gì mà cũng tao về lúc về ra nó mà cũng sai khó thì cả chân nâng tôn nó cũngจะรู้นะก็เลยต่อแต่chân nâng tônเสียไปchoสมัยสงครามเวียดนามเลยแล้วยังป้อแต่ไปจุดที่เฉยเจยาลินได้เจนู่นเราไปวงที่เฉยเจรู้ที่เฉยเราไปตรวจสอบเจเลยถือแต่อย่าไปรู้เจไปยังต้องกะว่าที่วันหนึ่งที่เฉยเราไปเจอใกล้ได้เจอแล้วไปยังหนึ่งที่เฉยเราพยาตีไทยที่เฉยเราหมุนสารลูกไปจิมุนดอกกาไปจิมุนใจดอกกาหมุนยำรอเตจิมุนใจยำรอตื่นลูกหนึ่งนั่นที่เฉยอย่าไปรู้นะกูสาก่อนแล้วถ้ามันมีการที่จะเป็นสมัยการอยู่ต่อแต่เป็นเชียร์ตัวเทียนนอนเชียร์หงอย่าไปเติร์จออย่าเลยตัวจีกีกุ้งทอไปแล้วเตะจะไปเตะปวดจ้วของฉันที่มันไปใจจูไปตัวเตะเชิญนอกูสาก่อนเลยรู้ไปเตะเกี่ยวกับป้าไปเตะติดซ้ำจุ่มไปไปจีในนู่นนอนนะคราวนี้เขากูสานคุณเฉยชับเลยที่เขากูสานเตาชับเลยไปตัวเตะเชิญนอไปหล่อเตะเชิญนอไปจีมันก็ตื่นดีนะแต่เรื่องเลี้ยlàไปชิมูนะไปดูตัวนั่นนะเขาไปตัวท้ายไปเชิญนอนหล่อๆนะไปตัวนะไปเมื่อชาปัวนะไปฉันตัวนะไปเชียวหลายอย่างหลายตัวนะก็ขายนะ The mystery's been revealed. The children you recruited when not enough men were killed. Pass the Patriot Act so then you could conceal it. Spill the blood of the